Hello again, welcome to another tutorial. I want to show you how to edit this cover photo and make it look really professional and neat for your challenge group. So what I use is called Canva, Canva.com. I'm going to show you how to use Canva. So here we go. I go to canva.com. This is nice to connect it with your Facebook, or you can create a whole new account. I have an account, so I'm just going to log in. So this service does a lot of stuff. I won't go into great detail about all of the other functionalities, but you can see I have a lot of different templates I have used in different posts that I have made through Canva, from everything to a cover photo, to just a social media post, to invites, to actual physical flyers, things for YouTube, Twitter. It goes on and on. So you can see I have used it a lot. It is a great service to use. It makes you feel like someone that can use graphic design and what is that? People that can edit well on a computer, using all that fun software. This just makes it for easy. It makes it for dummies. It's a lot easier. So what you're going to do to create a cover photo is you can see, I guess here, this is where you can see all of the other different templates and different things you can make. I'm going to close out of that. So it's actually right at the top. You don't even have to click on that button. So Facebook cover photo is right here. Click on that. And for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a cover photo for this holiday boot camp that I made already. And we're actually closing it, but I want to change. Hold on one second. I'm going to cancel. Okay, so this is the cover photo I want to change, and I want to make it say close. Thanks for being here. I encourage you to pay it forward. So I'm going to use this, obviously, Facebook cover. I'm going to choose a different layout. There are some that are paid, so you have to be careful. These ones are already pre-made and look really good. You can use these, so these are all free, you can see. But like the dollar signs will pop up once you hover over it. Once you click on them, you can't delete it and use that one without being charged. You have to just not click on the paid ones. Otherwise, if you do on accident, you have to start over. So I'm going to use this Merry Christmas one just because it is a holiday group. Click on it and it automatically pops up. Super simple. Next, I'm going to change the text. I don't want it to say Happy Holidays. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to delete this whole field. I'm going to add my own text. You just drag and drop. Super simple. You can resize it just like a PowerPoint document or a Word document, and add it to wherever you want. Then I need to move. Oh, it should be a little smaller. It takes a little time to get used to all the different, just how to use it and everything, and like how the clicks work, but we'll get the hang of it pretty simple, pretty fast. So I'm going to say closed, and then I want to change the since 1611. There we go. So why it's getting so small is because this is a pre-formatted Word template. If you don't like that, you can try making it bigger, but it won't because that's the way it's made. So you'll have to just use your own text. Where it says add heading, you can just add that into where you want it, and then you can make it whatever size you want. But I'm just going to delete these snowflakes and make it a little bit bigger. You can also try to enter down, but again, because it is pre-made, you won't get as many functionalities. There you go. Yes, it did work. So close. Thank you for being a part of boot camp. I really don't want to add too much more, but I'll show you some other things you can do. If you click on elements, you'll see there's stickers here for kind of the theme of the month. It's been the holidays for a while, so you can see that you can click on those here. There's grids where you can, this one's already in a grid, so you don't have to make a new grid, but this is nice to drag and drop pictures into this designated spaces. Frames are good for photos. If I want to add a photo into this one, you click on it, you just drag it, and then if you go to your uploads down here, I'm going to let's add this one. I just add it right in, and it's super easy, it's super fast. So to make it so it fits the frame, you have to double click to crop it, and then you can drag and then hit check mark. So that is an option for photos, or you could just drag a photo anywhere. If you want it to go into the form, you would have to hold it. So if I want it to be in this green space, I have to hold it there and it'll pop up, maybe. Well, that's not working, but it does work on other layouts, I promise. So this is my short tutorial. Play around with it, see if you have any questions. Reach out to me if you do. To save it, all you're gonna do, you wanna make sure first it's titled, so Holiday Boot Camp closed. Okay, save that. And it will automatically save your progress, so that is good. Unsaved, so let's just save it right now. File, save. And now they are all saved, the changes. The best way to do this is to actually download it. I wouldn't share it or make it public. You can, but that's not really the point that we want to use, or why we're using Canva. We want to download this, and we want to make it better for the web. So image for the web, make it a JPEG, and it's going to download, and it will automatically be downloaded to your computer in that specific file. So my design is ready. Great. So now I can click on my download, and it is here. Close, thank you for being a part. I'm going to cancel out of that. I'm actually going to drag this to my desktop. If I go to my files, where is that? Downloads, here we go. Downloads, and I'm going to drag that to my back of my desktop. Then I'm going to update that on Facebook. And this is super easy. All you have to do is click change cover photo or change group photo, and you can upload your photo. And here is Holiday Boot Camp closed, open. And then to make sure it fits, it does fit pretty well because it is already made for a Facebook cover photo. But if you have to move it, you just drag it here. And it will look different on a phone, so don't be like alarmed if it doesn't look totally the way you wanted it to on a phone. That's just a part of it being not mobile friendly Canva, unfortunately. But it does look really good here, so I'm going to save it. And then there you go. It is all on there and saved and ready to go. So hopefully this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and play around with it. It becomes something that I use all the time for recognition, for my social media posts, everything. So hope you thought this was helpful.